Good morning, traders, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. There's a couple of things happening here. We're going to start off with a 3-hour. I'm just trying to shorten some of these videos for us quickly. So much going on as well. So we are extremely volatile at the moment. I think we are swinging a good 1,000 points on the Dow, which is not normal. So obviously, coronavirus fears are quite serious at the moment. A couple of things on the go here. So the first one is this flag. Okay, so we have a flag and we have a flag break. That, however, being typical of the Dow, could also turn into the start of a channel. Okay, so I wouldn't trade the flag until I have a retest. So what I'd be looking for is another bounce up and some sort of price action somewhere around there. Okay, and that'll be 26.4. Sorry, 26.464. Looking at the oscillators here, we've got some diversions happening as well. Okay, you can see there's a low, low, higher low, lower low. So lots of uncertainties happening at this level. It's not even a level, it's a massive area. So one of the other things that could be at play here is a potential double top, and there it is there. We'd need a break below the swing low of 25,700. And then obviously I want to see a retest of it, and that would give me some confidence that we have at least a target to come and test the bottom here. At the moment, there are two time frames that I'm playing with on the Dow, and that is the hour and the half hour. Not looking at anything lower than that. Looking for structure on the half hour, and then looking for opportunities to get in. So right now, we sort of had a pretty much a downward day yesterday. The open was a bit of a rally up, but that rally was really just to come and test this previous breakout here, as you can see. Okay, so these fractal breakouts are important. So wherever you see a fractal and it's pretty much been a previous breakout, that's a level you need to pay attention to. Okay, so I don't see this thing falling through pretty much the zone we're in it now, 25,700 at the moment. More than likely see some sort of a bounce, but at the moment, moving averages all pointing down. We are below the moving averages, trend is down. Okay, so that's the way that we're going to trade this thing. So looking at the half hour, you can see what I mean by looking for your entries. So we had to move down. There was nothing really there through the day except a potential short right in the beginning of the day if you were awake fairly early. But then at the open, you had to push up, opportunity to get in right at the top there, or even at the break of this half hour bar, remove the downside. Okay, so lastly, what we could get here is a range. So we could just muck around in this range at the moment, which is not too bad because we're talking about a 1,300 point range. Okay, so for me, looking for shorts, but not necessarily at this level here. We want to see some kind of a bounce up and then a move to the downside. If you do want to move to a lower time frame, you can see my levels are in on the higher time frames, but you can see there was the open yesterday. You had a pin bar, and then you had another pin bar in the 12 minutes. I mean, that's enough confirmation for me of the level that we need to be short, and short it was. Okay, so still looking for shorts. Look at the half hour, get your levels in. So there's a few breakout levels here, and I think pretty much a gap close, opening gap close today would be an ideal entry for a short. But also what you could find is, depending on what happens with Europe, is just a short little bounce up to 29,945, and then look for an opportunity to get short again. Okay, the big level to watch is obviously this 25,700 area. That is area to watch. If you fall through that, you can expect us to come and tag some of these lower fractals down here. Okay, so volatility is probably going to continue today. Very wary of any direction, but if you see the structure, even it is long, you can see there's structure there. Take the trade, but be wary of your levels and bear in mind that you are moving 300-400 points at a time, and that's not normal for the Dow, because normally that'll happen over a day, and you're getting this sometimes in 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so anyway, short it is, looking for a pullback, and then looking for the opportunity to get in short. The only thing that's going to change my mind on that is pretty much and you can see these parabolic curve it's forming. You can see how it's rolling down like this, and that's normally an indication that there is a bounce coming, so which leads me to believe that this is more than likely going to end up being a range. So probably a long scalp here for a pullback, and then looking for the next short, and just watch these trend lines, because I think that's pretty much where your entry is going to be. Okay, anyway, that's it for me today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.